If caught in one, then pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockford Airport, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Milford, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Caledonia, Loves Park, Rockford, Cherry Valley, Timberlane, Garden Prairie, Belvedere, Capron, Winnebago, and McChesney Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.